In the words of Stendhal, mathematics allows no hypocrisy and no vagueness. Now let us define modulus. Modulus of a real number. Modulus or absolute value of a real number. Modulus or absolute value of a real number is defined as modulus of a real number is never negative. Modulus of a real number is never negative. For example, modulus of 2, modulus of 2 is denoted as with modulus 2, mod 2, we read as modulus 2. Modulus of a real number, 2 is a real number, modulus of 2 is never negative. Modulus 2 is 2. Modulus minus 2, modulus of a real number is never negative. To make it positive, multiply with minus of minus 2. That is plus 2. Plus modulus 2 value 2. Modulus minus 2 value 2. Modulus of a real number is never negative. 2 is non-negative. 2 is non-negative. Then what about 0? Modulus 0 is 0. But 0 is non-negative. Modulus of a real number is never negative. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Modulus is defined. Modulus of a real number A is defined as first of all, let us write modulus of A is denoted as mod A, modulus A, read as modulus A. First of all, modulus A is defined as A plus A if A greater than 0. Modulus A is defined as minus A if A less than 0. Modulus of A is equal to 0 if A is equal to 0. Let us go through this definition, these examples. Modulus of 2 is equal to 2 as 2 is greater than 0, positive. Modulus A is equal to A if A greater than 0. So that modulus 2 is equal to 2. Modulus minus 2, as minus 2 is negative number, keep minus before it, multiply with negative number, minus into minus 2, that is plus 2. So modulus A, if there is a negative number in modulus, keep minus, multiply with minus. So that modulus A is equal to minus A if A is less than 0. As minus 2 is smaller than 0, keep minus before the given number, given negative number. Then it becomes plus 2. So modulus A is equal to minus A if A less than 0. A is smaller than 0. A is negative. Modulus A is equal to 0 if A is equal to 0. So modulus 0 value 0. So modulus of a real number is never negative. To get non-negative quantity, we are using modulus. Let me take some more examples. Modulus 5/3. As 5/3 positive real number, we have a definition modulus A is equal to A if A greater than 0. So if A is positive, we can write A as the answer. As 5/3 is positive, so write 5/3 as your answer. Modulus minus 5/3. If A less than 0, then by definition modulus A is equal to minus A. So that minus 5/3 is less than 0, smaller than 0. So that to make it positive, take minus 5/3 in front of the keep minus. Modulus A is equal to minus A. So that modulus A is equal to minus A if A less than 0. Minus into minus plus, that is plus 5/3. Non-negative, non-negative. Modulus 0 is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, if A is equal to 0, then modulus A equal to 0. So modulus 0 is 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. It is 0 is non-negative. Modulus of a real number is never negative. Modulus of a real number is never negative. Now let us know distance between 2 points on x-axis. Here there is a point A and B on x-axis. Let us find the distance between these 2 points A and B. Let us write the order pairs of these 2 points. In fact, A is on x-axis. We know that point on x-axis general form is A, 0 or x, 0. Points on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 2. Distance from y-axis to a point is x coordinate, that is 2. Distance from x-axis to the point is y coordinate, is 0, 2, 0. A is 2, 0. B is 6, 0. O to B distance is 6. So 6, 0. Let us find the distance between these 2 points. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. In fact, that is 4 units. Distance between AB is 4 units. Distance between AB we can find using the coordinates of the given points, if those points on x-axis. Already y coordinate is 0 for these 2 points AB. O to B, the distance is O to B distance is 6 units. O to A distance is 2 units. O to A distance is 2 units. Here, to get the distance AB, we can subtract OB and OA. Take difference. OB minus OA. That is 6 units minus 2 units. That is 6 minus 2. That is 4 units. Distance between 2 points AB is 4 units. That is nothing but difference of x coordinates. Difference of x coordinates. Distance AB if area on x-axis is difference of x coordinates, x coordinate is here 6 and here is 2, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4 units. Some people may take 2 minus 6. When we say difference of x coordinates, they may take 2 minus 6. If we take 2 minus 6, then what is your answer? 2 minus 6 is minus 4. We never express distance in negative. So that to make it positive, we need to apply modulus. Modulus 2 minus 6, that is modulus minus 4. Modulus minus 4 is 4. That is 4 units. Modulus of the real number is never negative. Modulus minus 4 value 4. So, distance between 2 points is difference of x coordinates, difference between x coordinates, that is modulus 6. Here x coordinate is 6 and here x coordinate is 2. That is modulus 6 minus 2. That is modulus 4. That is nothing but 4 units. If there are 2 points x1 comma 0, if there are 2 points x1 comma 0 and x2 comma 0 on x-axis, then the distance between 2 points is modulus x2 minus x1. Distance between 2 points on x-axis is modulus x2 minus x1. Let me write this formula. Distance between two points on 2 points A x1 y x1 comma 0, B x2 comma 0 on x-axis is modulus x2 minus x1 units. Let us observe by taking this result by taking some points on negative x-axis. I am taking some points on negative x-axis. Here I am taking a point P and Q on negative x-axis. P is minus 2 comma 0. Distance from y-axis to a point is x coordinate. As it is towards negative x-axis, we take y x coordinate as negative. So minus 2. Y coordinate is 0 as distance from P to P is 0. Distance from x-axis to a point is y coordinate is 0. Minus 2 comma 0. Q is minus 6 comma 0. Distance between 2 points is PQ. Distance we can find by taking distance between x coordinates. Distance between 2 points on x-axis is difference of their x coordinates. That is minus 2, take minus 2 and minus 6. Take the difference, that is minus 2 plus 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 units. Otherwise, if suppose if you take P as x1 y2 and Q as x2 y2, then the distance between 2 points PQ is modulus x2 minus x1 units. That is modulus x2 is minus 6 minus x1 is minus 2. So minus 6 modulus minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 units. Modulus minus 2 is 4. Big number has minus, so modulus minus 4. Modulus minus 4 units. Modulus of a real number is number negative. So that modulus minus 4 is nothing but 4. That is minus of minus 4. That is 4 units. So modulus of a, that is modulus of minus 4 value is 4 units. Modulus of a real number is number negative. So distance between 2 points, any 2 points on x-axis is modulus x2 minus x1. Modulus difference of the x coordinates gives the formula for the distance between 2 points on x-axis. Now let us know distance between 2 points on a line parallel to x-axis. I am taking a line parallel to x-axis. I took a line parallel to x-axis and I am taking 2 points on this line as M and N. Let us write the coordinates of M and N. M for the point M. Distance from y-axis to a point is called x coordinate. O to A is 2 units, so that here the distance is 2 comma. Perpendicular distance from x-axis to a point is called y coordinate. Equivalent distance is nothing but let me take it cuts the y-axis at some point R. RM is equal to OA, so that it is 2 units distance. Perpendicular distance from x-axis to a point is y coordinate, as OR is 3 units. So AM also 3 units, that is y coordinate. Perpendicular distance N, let us write the coordinates of N. Perpendicular distance from y-axis to a point is x coordinate. So R to N is nothing but O to B, that is 6 units. So that 6 comma y coordinate. Perpendicular distance from x-axis to a point is y coordinate. BN is nothing but OR, that is 3 units, 6 comma 3. From this we can observe on a line parallel to x-axis, y coordinate is same for every point on the parallel line. Y coordinate is 3, 3. So on this line MN, every point y coordinate is 3. Y coordinate is constant. In that case, what is the distance between 2 points MN? Distance between 2 points MN. Let us write. Distance between MN is equal. Here, distance between MN is nothing but distance between AB. Distance between AB, we came to know difference of x coordinates gives the distance. That means if it is x1 0 and x2 0, then we can come to know the distance by difference of the x coordinates, x2 modulus x2 minus x1. As the distance AB is modulus x2 minus x1 units, Mn is the distance AB. For A and M, x coordinate is same 2. For B and M, x coordinate is 6. So that difference of x coordinates when the points are x1 comma k and x2 comma k, if the y coordinates same, those points lie on the line parallel to, if the y coordinates same, then those points lie on the line parallel to x axis. In that case, distance between those points Mn is difference of x coordinates, that is 6 minus 2, modulus 6 minus 2, that is modulus 4, that is 4 units. Let us write a formula to find distance between 2 points on a line parallel to x-axis. Distance between two points lie on a line parallel to x-axis. Is difference of x coordinates. Their x coordinates. That means if there are 2 points M and N as x1 0, 0, x1 comma k, x2 comma k, if M x1 comma k and n x2 comma k, then the distance between mn, distance mn is nothing but modulus x2 minus x1, modulus x2 minus x1 units, difference of x coordinate. On the other hand, if the x y coordinate is same to the given points, then the distance between those 2 points is difference of x coordinates, modulus x2 minus x1 units. In case of y coordinate is same for 2 points, then the distance between those 2 points is difference of x coordinates, that is modulus x2 minus x1 units. Now let us know distance between 2 points lie on y axis. I am taking 2 points. One is C at 2 and another point D 5 on y axis. Let us write the coordinates of these 2 points C and D. Here the distance between y axis to a point is x coordinate, so that for this point x coordinate is 0, C to C distance is 0. Distance from x axis to a point is y coordinate, so that O to C distance is 2 units, so y coordinate is 2, 0, Here from D, as the point D is on y axis, general form of the point on y axis is 0, B, so that x coordinate is 0, y coordinate O to D distance is 5 units, that is 0, 5. What is the distance between C and D? See, OC distance is 2 units, OD distance is 5 units. What is the distance of CD? CD is equal to, we know distance CD is equal to OD minus OC. OD distance is 5 units, OC distance is 2 units, that is 5 minus 2 is 3 units. 3 units. Distance CD is 3 units. Using these 2 points 0 to C0 to C05, how can we write distance CD? Distance between 2 points CD on y axis is, if we compare with 0 y1 and 0 y2, 2 is the 5 minus 2 is the distance between 2 points C. That is nothing but difference of y coordinates. Difference of y coordinates, that is the 5 minus 2 is the distance between 2 points CD on y axis. So difference between 2 points C 0, 2, D 0, 5 on y axis is difference of their y coordinates. Is the difference of their y coordinates. That is the y coordinate is here 5 and here 2. Their difference modulus 5 minus 2. That is 5 minus 3 is 3 modulus 3, that is 3 units. So if 0 y1 and 0 y2 on y axis, then the difference between these 2 points is y2 minus y1. That is modulus y2 minus y1. Difference between 2 points is modulus y2 minus y1 units. Modulus y2 minus y1 units. Difference between 2 points lying on y axis gives the distance between 2 points which are lying on y axis. The difference between 2 points 0 y1 and 0 y2 on y axis is modulus y2 minus y1 units. What is the formula for points, the distance between the points lying on the line parallel to y axis? I am taking a line parallel to y axis. This line is parallel to y axis, and I am taking 2 points which lie on this line. That is here E and another point F. What are the coordinates of E? Here this perpendicular distance from y axis to a point is its coordinate. So here O to this point is 3 units. O to some U, O to U is 3 units. So that x coordinate is 3, as it is towards negative x axis, write minus 3. Perpendicular distance from x axis to a point is y coordinate. So the perpendicular distance is 1 unit, as it is towards negative y axis, write as minus 1. In the same manner, coordinates of F. Perpendicular distance from x axis to a point is y coordinate. U to F is nothing but 5 units, as it is towards negative y axis, write minus 5. What is the x coordinate? X coordinate is perpendicular distance from y axis to a point is x coordinate. Perpendicular distance from y axis to a point is x coordinate. So that perpendicular distance means O to U, that is 3 units, as it is towards negative x axis, write as minus 3. Perpendicular distance from x axis to a point is y coordinate. So that UF is nothing but 5 units. It is towards negative y-axis, right, as a negative quantity minus 5. Now here x coordinate is same. The points whose x coordinate is constant, those points lie on a line parallel to y-axis. In that case, what is the distance between these 2 points E and F? EF is nothing but UF minus UE. Distance UF minus distance UE. UF distance is 5 units. UE distance is 1 unit. The difference we need to take, write it as within modulus. Here modulus minus 5 minus here minus 1, in between these two keep minus, so that we took difference between y coordinates. There is a modulus minus 5 minus 2 minus plus 1, 5 minus 1 4, the modulus minus 4, there is a modulus minus 4 value 4, modulus of a real number is 11, so 4 units. Modulus minus 4 is 4 units. So that in case of x coordinates are same, we took difference of y coordinates as the distance between those 2 points. Distance between 2 points lie on a line parallel to y axis is difference of their y coordinates. Distance between two points lie on a line parallel to y axis is difference of those 2 points y coordinates. Difference between those y coordinates. Using this formula, we can find distance between 2 points on y axis, that is modulus y2 minus y1 units. In the same manner, difference between 2 points lie on a line parallel to y axis, also modulus y2 minus y1 units. We know Pythagoras theorem. Let us recall it. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem statement is on a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, that means one of the angles is 90 degree. In triangle, right angle triangle ABC, angle in triangle ABC, angle B, I put angle B as 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, right angle opposite side is the largest side among all those 3 sides. That side is called hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This equation holds for every right angle triangle. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. And let's write a statement. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. We can apply this rule for every right angle triangle. Now let us know distance between origin and a given point on the coordinate plane. Here origin is O. Let me take a point P xy as the given. Pxy is a given point. Now we are going to write a formula for finding distance between origin and the given point. Now I am joining O and P. OP. Now we need to find the distance OP. If the given points are on x-axis, then the distance between those 2 points is modulus x2 minus x1. If the 2 points lie on the line parallel to x-axis, then also we use the formula modulus x2 minus x1. Difference between their x coordinates. If the 2 points lie on y-axis, then the distance between those 2 points is modulus y2 minus y1. That is difference between those two y coordinates of the given points. Here O xy. We know origin O is nothing but order pair 0 0. We represent origin O with the order pair 0 0. To find the distance OP, I am going to draw a perpendicular. I am drawing a perpendicular PQ on the x-axis. Draw PQ perpendicular to x-axis. Here we have a right angle triangle with this angle. OQP is a right angle triangle. Here draw OQ perpendicular to OX or x dash OX. That means draw OQ perpendicular to x-axis, so that in triangle OQP and Q is 90 degree and Q is 90 degree. In this right angle triangle, let us write OQ and PQ. It is very clear. PQ is equal to, PQ is nothing but perpendicular distance from x-axis to the point P. That is nothing but y coordinate. So that PQ is a y units. Y units. What about OQ? We know perpendicular distance from given point to y-axis is x coordinate. That is nothing but x units. So as PR is x units, so OQ also x units. OQ is nothing. OQ is equal to PR, that is x units. So OQ length is x units. in triangle OQP, in this Q, as Q is 90 degree, it is right angle triangle. In this triangle, we know two sides OQ and QP. Those are x units and y units. Using these two sides, we can find third side OP by using Pythagoras theorem. We know by Pythagoras, Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Side square plus side square. Here, hypotenuse is OP. So the OP square is equal to, one side is OQ square plus another side is PQ, that is PQ square. Here OP we need to find, right? OP square as this. OQ length we have x units, that is x square plus PQ. PQ length we have y units, that is y square. OP square is equal to x square plus y square. And now OP is equal to square root plus or minus square root x square plus y square. But as distance is positive, we never express in negative quantity, that is right, plus root of x square plus y square. That is OP is equal to root of x square plus y square units. That is nothing but distance from origin to the given point xy is root of x square plus y square. We can use this as the formula to find distance from origin to any point. Distance from origin to the given point xy on the coordinate plane is root of x square plus y square units. We can show this result by taking the point pxy in different quadrants also. We took in first quadrant q1 by taking p in second quadrant or in third quadrant or in fourth quadrant. We can show this result. Distance from origin to the given point pxy is root of x square plus y square units. OP is equal to root of x square plus y square units. This is the formula to find distance between origin and given point.